What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am fired up because today we are going to be watching more memes. And you know I love memes. Today we're gonna be watching clean memes that you can microwave. So I guess you can microwave these memes. Can you eat them afterwards? I don't know. I thought the last video that we watched was really good. I love those memes. Hopefully these memes are even better. So without further ado, let's get into it.
Hello.
The slow-mo bounce.
First question.
Ooh, jeez.
I know that's not what I think it is. Yes!
Evan and Tim for $50,000. Here's your first subject. Go.
Bin Laden.
That's wrong. That's not the right answer. Oof. That had to hurt. I don't remember that in the movie.
Come on.
Car, and now he's videotaping me.
Because this is unlawful.
Ma'am, he's running me over.
No, I'm not.
Ma'am, hurry, please hurry. Mike! Mike! Mike!
Yo, come on.
Mike!
Yo, where's Mike?
Yes, please hurry me.
Wow,
Mike, chocolate must be
that was
touched
intense.
by human hands.
Hey! A man has fallen into the river in Lego City. Start the new rescue helicopter. Off to the rescue and make the rescue.
I'm South African. No accent though, because I was raised here.
Come on over here. Come on over here. No, you flipped me off. Come on, coward. No. Come on. You're not an intellectual. You're a fake and a fraud.
R.I.P. dude. This is the game, isn't it? Yep. Chrome game.
I keep thinking about this story. There's this video.
They turned Lego City into a horror movie.
Phone rings. And this boy says,
let me put it in a language you can understand.
Saw that coming.
A man has fallen into the river in Lego City. Start the new rescue helicopter.
Wow. A lot of Lego City memes.
Hey!
They're on to us. Beckham's trying to track our IP address.
Oh, can you stop it?
No. But I can slow him down.
I don't know, I haven't seen this video in full in so long.
I love this guy.
I find it so hilarious. Okay.
It's messed up.
I would have to say that all we knew about the
Yo,
killer
that
was
kid
that
is
he
so
wore
funny.
boots, and he enjoyed Reese's peanut butter cup.
that's a cold-blooded killer.
God, I'm hungry. Sometimes I dream about cheese. You're here! Finally. Hey, everybody, follow Freeman! Incoming!
You probably broke your back. You probably broke your tailbone.
Got ya. Will you cut it out?
Hey, do that again. He likes it.
Yo, Sid the Sloth is so funny. Ooh! Jeez. Kid did not deserve that.
What's your problem, Grim? What is your problem? Missile alone ramp. Missile alone ramp.
Vers quel est votre problème, vermicelle en rampe?
Captain Magma! Get him angry and he's bound to erupt. Krakatawa! You done?
Well, that's it for that video, friends. I hope you enjoyed. I thought that was pretty good. There was a lot of Lego City memes in there. But anyways, hopefully the next video is even better than that one. And hopefully we can just keep finding better and better memes every time. I want to find a meme video that actually makes me cry laughing. That's my goal. I'm trying to find a meme video where I actually cry from laughter, that it's so funny. So that's what I'm on the search for. So we'll see if we can find it. Anyways, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace!